So you're a DJ. You're the best DJ out there. You are the perfect DJ with the best mix. Hi, I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of the little dog and pony show I put together once a week called Creative License. And thanks for being so nice to my sponsors, like Perfect Portals and DJ Event Planner and Disc Jockey News and Promo Only and Electro Voice and, of course, my workshop, The Entertainment Experience. So, great. You're a great DJ. What else do you do? Have you ever thought about that? Have you ever tried to work on other disciplines? And when you do, what does it do for you? Are you also working on being a great bicyclist? Are you really great as a mechanic? Have you ever worked on maybe performance skills? I'm a performer and an actor, so I'm always working and practicing and doing other things to work on more disciplines around the art that I bring to what I do. But the other things that I try to take on when it comes to discipline is the things that really help me to kind of step outside of myself and see what else is possible. Right now, the discipline that I have is my regular daily walks. I try to get out every single I do get out every single solitary day and work and walk somewhere between 2 and 5 miles a day. And that's going to be going up after, I'm done with my surgery to my foot. But that little piece of discipline is something that's really important to me. In fact, if you're like me and you've got ADHD, then your routines and your disciplines are really, really important. I've got a regular routine every single solitary morning of what I do. It is a disciplined routine from the moment I wake up to the feet on the floor to going to the restroom to going and getting a glass of water and getting on my stuff and getting out and doing the things that I do every single morning in the same way every single day. Why is that important for me? Because that shows me that structure is something that I can have in my life. And structure is important when it is important. And sometimes those of us with the creative mind, most of the time, and a lot of the time, rather, it comes with the attention deficit, means that we can easily say, well, I don't have that discipline. I can't do that. When normally you can get up and do at least one thing. I mean, I don't know if you saw the TED Talk about the Army guy who said that you get up and make your bed every single solitary day. Why? Because you've done something and started something and succeeded at something every single day. Before your day starts, you've done something with exactness and precision and perfect every day, even if it's just making your bed. So what are the things that you do? Have you tried to take on a musical instrument? Are you trying to learn a language? Were you not good in math, so you never thought you'd do it, but now as an adult you thought, maybe I'll try to figure out trigonometry or algebra or long division. I mean, honestly, the more things that you take on as a discipline, the better things will be for you, because it will open up pathways in your brain. Okay, which those pathways will be helpful in the regular day-to-day things that you do, especially when you're most scattered, when you're most unsure of yourself. And the more of those things that you do, the better. I mean, try taking something on and being great at it, okay? I was a piano player when I was a kid. I have a piano in my house. Am I good at it now? No, not even a little bit. But when I sit down at it, I try really hard to help those pathways reattach. Pathways, or just pathways that are not attached. New pathways to help my brain think in a new way so that when I'm thinking in the old way, it's just a little easier. And I'm just more present. And my communication is better. And I just feel better. So what do you do? What are your disciplines? And if you don't have any, what are you going to take on? I'd love to hear what you haven't taken on because you've been afraid to, that you're gonna because you heard what I have to hear today. I've said, maybe I'm going to work on, just the English language. There you go. I'll take that on. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week. Bye.